Hey guys, this is Corey Bystead with Guarantee RV. I'm here to show you the Arctic Fox 32.5M. Let's take a look inside. As you walk inside, you can see that this is a traditional layout to a traditional fifth wheel. You have an island in the middle, which is unique, and it's got this angled cut so you can walk into it with ease. You also have a refrigerator. It's got this nice wood kind of cabinetry to it, so it's not like this big appliance inside of your fifth wheel. You also have the sofa right here. It's got heated seats to it. It's got lights and massage. They do recline. You have two sofa chairs as well as your dinette. It's got 4 chairs on it, and it has an extendable leaf in the front. You have your fireplace and your TV and a whole entertainment shelving system right there. So as you come up into the bathroom, you have your toilet. You have a shower with a sliding glass door. You have an adjustable shower head for people with different heights. You also have a solid surface countertop in here and a sink right beside it. And in your bedroom, you have a king-sized bed. You also have a built-in dresser, very deep drawers, very strong sliding hinges. You have a glass door to your bedroom. You have a place to put your TV, and you also have a red cedar unfinished closet on the inside. You can smell that wood when you open it up. Okay guys, I'm going to tell you a few features about this unit on the outside. So this is probably one of the best 4-season coaches you can actually get. They thrive in the snow and the winter and all that. It doesn't really freeze. Some cool features on the front is you got a diamond plate on the front. And that's really nice because it's a good shield against what's going to smack against it, possibly. You also have 2 bigger propane tanks, and they're all both in the same bay instead of being split up onto the other side. You also have this really massive pass-through storage, and a lot of brands aren't really going that big for their through storage. You have solid steps right here and an extended handle. Arctic Fox is a Northwood product. Northwood is built out of La Grande here in Oregon. Some of the things that their factory does is they build their own chassis. One great detail is how they dump their gray water. Because it runs through insulation, the water won't freeze. Hey guys, thank you for watching my videos. Corey Bystead from Guarantee RV. This has been the Arctic Fox 32.5M. If you have any questions and you want to find out more about it or anything, you can just contact me at 541-735-1535.